Keith, how are you going to cut around there?
Oh, around here? Around the curve?
Yeah.
Ah, well. Watch this. Little trick for you. Dumb guys DIY. Look, if we can do it, you can do it. So what you got to do, you got to follow that curve around there, haven't you? Okay, that's fine. So first of all, we'll match the angle with another board, which is roughly like so. We'll draw a line. Okay? And that gets us in closer to here. Okay? I'll cut that now. Dead quick with a Stanley knife. Right. Guess you're a bit closer there, look. See, you're a bit closer, but you still got gaps. Right, look at this. We used a full tube of that. So what I did, cut the end off. And you pull out this bit, which is the plunger. And you're using your gun, the mastic gun. So we drilled a hole in the top, just big enough for a pencil. And you put your pencil in there, and you draw around there, and then that's the bit you cut off. Ready? I'll cut this bit now. Watch this. Now there's only one thing more dangerous than a sharp knife, and that's a blunt one. So I need to change the blade in a second. I'll go through there now. There you go. Just hacking that a bit. Look at that! Boom! Done!